Omanyi kati abantu ekibatawanya emitwe kati bwe bakulaba ng'oli mukazi nga bagamba ono mukazi teyatrain teyasoma n'ebyamagye. Ebyamagye nasomako katono naye teweetaaga kuba nti wasoma ebyamagye okubeera minisita wa security, kubanga sigenda kukwata emundu nti ngenda kulwanyisa konyi, sigenda ku front line, ngenda kukozesa wano. If you know anybody who has hidden a gun maybe in the banana plantation, please give that information, because that gun could be turned against you or your family. And we are planning to install a toll-free line.
I'm not happy. Icyo kintu kinshemize kandi yari mufite mu mahuru tugume tukora turebe ibintu tuje twagandara abantu tukora tureba ngyaba kwangare ebimbaze biboneza kuvugwana corruption bantu mu Uganda twahemuka rero mweje ashobore abana umwana nagenda naba ashabo mu rumo ekinda hani kigamba hatoshanga kurya bagera ngo leta miliyoni 10 abazire bakuzutu n'okutetwa miliyoni 10 bastayo no bakustayo mu mwana tubakumuhati. Elderly person has been able, for instance, to borrow money to buy a goat or two. Some of them have bought cattle, some of them have improved on their households. They are able to look after their dependents. So it has made so much difference. N'abasajja batulugumya abakazi, bana abasajja bakwata obwana obuto, kubanga ebyo bibanga bukolebwa eggwanga terusobera kubeera n'edembe. Kati era ngenda kubakwatira ddala mbateekemu obwala. Abo bonna bwe banaabakwata nze bino ebyokubatwala eruzira nsimanyi bamaleyo emyaka 3 balyoke baveeyo nze ebyo sibyukirizamu beetaaga rusasi.
Some years ago, when I was in the Ministry of Gender, we did a survey. And the information that came out was that there is a sinister project known as the Saidia Project. And this project is manned by some mafia gangs from Karamoja. And then the proceeds, whatever these street children get, they hand it over to the mafia. They themselves are not even beneficiaries. So, and as government, we are still pursuing and looking at the pull and push factors.
Our TV West, Ndisenyomo Gideon.